Hey YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Adventure Biker. So, this is Saturday the 9th of May and I'm heading down to MCS Scotland for their demo day. So today it's not like a big demo day because it's only half-hour slots. So what I'll do is I'm demoing 3 bikes today. One of them is a DR-Z400S SM and the other one's just a standard DR-Z400. I can't remember what one I'm demoing first. So you only get half an hour on the bikes. So it's not going to be a full review of the bikes. It's just going to be a half-hour ride, see what they're like. And as I said, if there's ones that you want me to do a proper review on, or just let me know. Gotta get my bike serviced and my tyres and stuff. This takes you down to MCS, which I'll probably be the first one here. So there you go, MCS Scotland. Oh dear. So MCS Scotland, let's have a wee look at the bikes. Suzuki, oh Suzuki, it's the new Abusa. I think they've got one of them out for a test ride today, not too sure. There's a yellow DR-Z. Triumph. They do a lot of used bikes as well. VFR. Aye, some nice bikes. Some nice bicycles. Right, well next time I'll be on one of the demo bikes. So, YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Adventure Biker. So, this is the DR-Z400S. We're going to take this for a wee blast around. We'll just drop my glove. So take this for a blast first. So this is the demo day at Suzuki MCS Scotland. So let's go for it. This is tiny. So this is absolutely tiny. So this is this is like a supermoto. So I don't think it's going to be as tall as the standard DR-Z. So I'm 6 foot, and me standing on this is yeah, it's quite. It's definitely strange riding this compared to the Panniers. So the competitor of this would be the Honda CRF300L. Currently they don't do a rally version like the 300 rally. Definitely it's absolutely tiny. Absolutely tiny. So I was meant to take this out at 9 o'clock and it's now 25 past 9, so getting lots of different weird looks. As you can see, I'm rocking the Ultimate Addons case. I was going to use the Helix strap, but the one that I've got is actually broken, but this is another mount I've got. It's a bit more of a faff to get it on when you want to do it quick, but definitely get a lot of strange looks on this. On the bikes. I've got access, as I've said before, I've got access to any bike for MCS Scotland. Alan from there actually said to me, he was asking me why I was doing the demo day. But he's like, you can ride it you want, just come in and tell me. I had a wee free day, so if you want me to do a more in-depth video of the DR-Z400S Supermoto, just let me know and I'll go and get it and I'll do a full proper review on it. So the next up is the DR-Z400S RM. Catch you soon. So YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, Venture Biker. So this is me now on the DR-Z400S. So this is the standard one. What about you? A bit of rain. So this is basically the trail version of the SM. So it's slightly taller. You can actually switch so you can switch the ABS on and off. I think you can switch your ABS on and off front, rear, similar to the Panniers. So this feels a lot taller than what the SM does, obviously because it's got the taller suspension. I think Greg was saying it's got an extra 20-30 mil suspension height. it definitely feels a lot different. I know it's basically the same bike, but it does feel different. Feels a lot taller, this one. The SM feels like it's like a mini bike. Let's go for the overtake, see if we can overtake this bus. Yeah. So again, as I said, MCS, I can get access to any of their demo bikes anytime I want for longer than half an hour. So if you want me to do a full review on the Suzuki DR-Z400S, let me know, and I'll go and get it off the MCS, and I'll do a full like half a day on it. But already out of the two 400s, this would be the bike that I would buy if I was going to buy a 400. Would definitely be this one. The Supermoto, you realistically what you could do is buy a set of Supermoto wheels for this, if you wanted to. And then if you knew you were doing just all road, you could then stick your road wheels on it. So if you want me to get this bike, do a full review on it, let me know. But my quick 10 minutes of it, I definitely prefer this over the SM. I think the engines are pretty much the same, modes are slightly different. I think it's got an oil filled, looks like it's got an oil filled frame. Yeah, so this is just a wee snippet of a couple of bikes for Suzuki. So YouTube, that's me done the 2 demos. Today I've just done the 400s. So the DR-Z SM and the DR-Z400S. That's the 2 bikes I did today because the place is starting to fill up and I can get access to the bikes anytime I want. So I'm going to book a day and take the Suzuki 800 out for basically a full day. So